Day 2 is done. Awesome day of fellowship and training, conflict de-escalation. I'm here with Jessica, who helped set this up. What do you think, Jessica? How did it go?
Oh, it was very well. My staff really enjoyed it, and one of my staff, who's pretty poo-poo on most any trainings, thought it was wonderful, and she said it was well worth it. I had another one that said, I usually sit and doodle through trainings, and she didn't write a single thing, and all of our scenarios were spot on with things we've dealt with. So
That's outstanding. So I had their attention.
You had their attention the whole time.
I was just glad. Pretty much everyone came back after the break, so that's a plus. So that's a plus too.
That
right?
was a plus. I had a couple I thought were going to be runners, but they stayed with it.
And now we're
Great.
supposed to come back and work with you later in a couple of weeks here, end of November, right?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
so you're still happy with that idea?
Yes,
Okay.
we're definitely going to do it, and the staff that was here said that they thought that would be great for the teaching
That was
staff.
awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you. And I have another Jessica right here. Jessica, how did it go? What do you think?
I really enjoyed it. I thought that it was very engaging, and I also thought that it was very practical,
Yeah.
especially given the scenarios and the people that we encounter.
Okay, anything that was implausible or too implausible, or it was pretty realistic, the scenarios?
I think it was pretty realistic, and I think the best part of it was the feedback that you got right after you finished the scenario, because it was real life feedback on your individual performance, which you don't always get.
Right, see, exactly. Do you feel that any of the instructors were not loud enough, or?
No, I felt the instructors were really good.
Okay, good.
Yeah, and they nailed the essence of the agency and the challenges that we face.
So good, because I do try I strive to make sure the scenarios are realistic for you, so.
Yes.
And we did that, good.
No, we felt like that, yeah.
Okay, excellent, thank you. Kathy, what do you think?
Well, I'll tell you, we've done a lot of trainings with the organizing agency. And look at this. I mean,
Wow.
it's
Yeah.
excellent. We rate on a scale from excellent 5 to poor, and all I'm saying is 5, 5, 5. Excellent, 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 all the way through. So people don't do that. They just
That's true.
they're very honest about what they think, and all I've heard is positive comments.
So you don't regret having a bunch of people from Michigan come down to do some training?
Absolutely not.
Thank you, Kathy. And there you have it, folks, conflict de-escalation training.